So good afternoon. I have the honor to present to you my 29th graduates, 6 boys and 23 girls, a total of 29 candidates for 4th and 5th batch.
Wala kang masasabi sa batch na to. They are all good. Knowledge, skills, attitude, they already have na talaga. Most of them waiting na po and going na also New Zealand and Australia.
Lagi nilang iisipin, hindi sila nag-aral ng caregiver para sa ibang tao. Nag-aral sila ng caregiver para sa paghahanda sa sarili nilang pamilya, lalo na sa ating mga oldies, sa ating mga parents, na syempre ito ay mga magsisitanda.
For full of boundless possibilities, a new horizon as they will embark on a new life as a caregiver. A warm welcome to everyone. Let's all together have the hallmark of this awaited moment. Thank you and God bless to everyone.
You have the light within you. Lahat po kayo ilaw ng tahanan ng mga elderly. You have to have that spark. Okay? Kailangan kumikinang. Trust in that light.
Is talagang kailangan holistic po yung training namin. Kailangan po na ang isang caregiver, kailangan na nalalaman niya kung ano talaga yung buong trabaho ng caregiver elderly. Kasi mahirap talaga ang pag-aalaga ng isang matanda, no? Lalo na kung wala kang passion, wala kang pasensya. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce your graduates of the Caregiving Elderly NC2. Congratulations!
This, my friends, is a special day. Not only for the graduates, but also for all of us who have supported them on their journey to this momentous occasion.
Congratulations to everybody for your graduation today. Okay, wishing you guys all the best.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Miss Carmencita Uy.
And remember that every act of kindness, no matter how small, has the power to transform lives and make the world a better place.
When you are in your final destination as caregivers, you will apply your skills, information, knowledge, and wisdom you gain. And that time is now.
May your hearts be filled with pride and determination as you step into the world as compassionate and capable caregivers. Go forth and make the world a better place, one caring gesture at a time. Congratulations again.
My name is Professor Randy I. Nonato, the President of the De La Salle Alumni Association and former TESDA board member. Tara na! Punta na tayo sa WCU kung gusto nyong mag-aral ng world-class at professional na caregiving services, elderly caregiving services na may national certificate para garantisado ang serbisyo. Punta na po kayo sa WCU. Ang mga training po, world-class, ang serbisyo po, tago sa puso.
Our congratulations to WCU.
And of course, congratulations to all the graduates of WCU. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
And I want to invite you to everyone na mag-aral po kayo sa WCU Skills Academy. Hindi ka magsisisi kasi dahil #1 kami at may one heart kami.
Here in WCU Skills Academy,
Here at WCU Skills Academy, we are offering unlimited
World-class competency.
world-class competency.
Thank you, WCU!